Dear visitor, thank you for visiting our BNI chapter this morning. I am certain the past 90 minutes were the most energetic meetings that you've spent ever this early in the morning. If you're in this room, then I know three things about you. Number one, you're a business person. Number two, you want to grow. And number three, there's someone in this room that you really care about. If this is the truth, I need you to understand a few things about BNI since you've taken the effort to come in. And all I want to share with you is that every single person that you see around you today or that you've just met this morning, each person represents a different business. They come from a different background. They have a different ambition, a different language, a different thought process, a different belief system. But we still do business with one another because BNI is not about celebrating our similarities. BNI is about celebrating our differences. That's what makes us great, because we do business with each other because we absolutely know, like, and trust each other. Now, if this is the kind of room for you, you're about to make a big decision. And this decision is big not because it is an investment of our money, but this decision is big because it is going to change the way you completely do your business. And BNI has done that for the past 35 or more years across the world. And the reason why we're the world's best is these three things which I must get out to you. Number one, BNI is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I mean, remember guys, every person that you saw in this room today represents a company, a business, an organization that they've built, something that their families have built. Generations of hard work is represented in it. This isn't a place where we are selling someone's toothbrush, toothpaste, something like that. We're representing something that we're proud of. And hence the sanctity is taken very seriously. Number two, BNI, there's no commission passing or bonus passing in BNI. What that means is we make money by virtue of doing the business that we do, and that's what we're proud of. And number three is BNI really isn't about the money that you or anyone invests in it, because even if you put it all together, the hotels, the breakfast, the costs, all of it, it still comes to be less than the annual cost that you would pay out to, for example, the office boy in your office. However, know this, BNI is an investment of your time. What I mean by that is BNI is what you put into it. Just like any great thing that you ever buy into, for instance, a relationship, BNI is a function of what goes in to it. And hence, remember, if you're going to come in, you must play full out. So be ready for it. With that, I am so happy that you could make it this morning. I really do look forward to seeing you as a part of BNI very soon. However, know that the process is a very structured thought process, but get to know the membership team, because you're going to go through a certain channel to ensure that you're the right fit for the organization and the organization is right for you. So please reach out and ask any questions that come to your mind to the visitor hosts in the chapter, and I look forward to seeing you begin your BNI journey. Wishing you all the very best. This is Yash Vasant, and have a great day ahead.